Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video on the Stang, and we have what could be the world's easiest fix. Then we have a relatively mild fix, and then we're on the hunt. We're on the hunt for some new paint. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
And perhaps the easiest fix in the history of fixes right here. Yeah, we're going to fix this situation. See how this kind of sits in there? Yep. When I got this piece, I forgot these two pieces. So, basically, all you do is push them in. I can't even believe I'm doing a video on this. I may have to just figure out what's going on because they're not going in. There. Maybe you twist them. Maybe that's the secret. Nope, that one doesn't want to go on. Oh, come on there, buddy. There. Is that it on? That's on. That's on. You ready for the result? There it is. Easiest fix in the history of fixes. Color's a little bit off, but it's so much better than the black. Will I keep it like this? I don't know. All right, now let's go to the seat. Here's the situation with the seat. Yep, this is a mess. This is a hot mess. Okay, the airbag was blown. Like I said, this car has a very interesting past, I guess is a good way to put it. And it does go up and down. See? It just doesn't go forward. See? It just doesn't do much. So, I was able to pick up another seat in Oklahoma City. So, 4 bolts and this thing comes out, and 1 electrical connector. Maybe 2 for the airbag. We're going to do that right now. Let's replace the seat and be so much more comfortable. Let me show you the new seat. Say, "Aw." Here it comes. Yep, there she is, folks. One beautiful, new to me seat that works up and down, left and right for your seat belt. A little bit of wear right there, but it hasn't ripped, so you can easily fix that. And it looks 1,000 times better. And hopefully it's gonna work 1,000 times better than the seat that's in there. So basically 1 bolt there, 1 bolt there, 1 bolt there, and 1 bolt there, and she goes right inside. We got the seat out, finally. This was a pain because the seat wasn't moving and it was stuck almost right on top of this, so we had to go with the wrench. It's always interesting what you can find under seats. Okay, so this is my little treasure pile. Okay, so someone enjoyed that. Let's see, what else have we got? A receipt by Once Upon a Child. What is this? Hold on. What is this? Oh, we got some money. Okay. And then we have, oh, let me hide this. Okay. Extra cash golden pawn. Golden loan. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so on Western there's a store. And this person got some Apple headphones. They financed, holy guacamole, $70. Finance charge 14%, total payments $84. She's paying 240% interest. Holy crap. Well, anyway, I don't want to judge. I can't judge. You know what? Those were some great earphones, I bet you. I bet they were. What else have we got right here? Okay, so we've got, here's $1. Okay. $1.25, 26, 27, 29, 30, 31, $1.41, and $25.66. That's nice. Oh. And a diamond earring. That'll pay for the whole car right there. It's easy. All right. Well, we're going to get this all vacuumed out, and then we'll put the new seat in, and we'll take it for a test drive. Oh, wait, here's even more. 66, $76.77. Making money. A little bit of water?
Maybe a light for here. Lighter's dead.
I literally found this one in my car. You can have that one. Let me get you water real quick, okay? There she is. Look at that. She functions fully. We'll get some black dye. We'll fix this little piece right here. Watch. She goes forward. She goes backwards. She goes up. And she goes down. And I think this is like the lumbar inflating thing right here. See? You can watch the seat go in and out. Up. Down. Okay. How about that? Okay, we also had to replace this little latch right here for the back because the seat that I bought did not have it. But I gotta tell you, I love it. I really love it. This is nice. Now I can actually drive the car in the correct seating position. Look at that. Love it. Check out those sexy knees. Yes, baby. So what's next for the Mighty Stang? Well, we have the interior pieces right there that we got to get some new ones, and we have to go out and get some estimates for the paint on the hood and the spoiler. So let's do that. Let's see if we can get some estimates, and we will put that together in this video, and we'll see how much it's finally going to cost to get this car back on the road. So stay tuned. Okay, so we are en route. Well, we're moving very slowly right now. Yep, we're at a stoplight. But we are en route to Mako. We're going to go ahead and get an estimate to get the hood and my spoiler painted to see just how much it's going to cost and if it's actually worth it or not. I know it's Mako, so it's going to be cheap. Hopefully not in a quality definition, but probably so. So anyway, we're going to get to Mako, get an estimate. If it's too much, we'll try to find another couple of body shops and see what they would charge. If it's over, I don't know, you want to say like $600, I may try to do it myself. So we'll just have to see what's going on with that. But I'm getting close. So let's see what Mako has to say. All right, we're back from Mako with our estimate. Yep, I got another subscriber too. Hopefully he's going to watch this. The estimate, I don't know, it seems a little bit high to me, but he did help me with the materials. So here we have the estimate from Mako, as you can see. I don't want to show my address or anything. To paint the hood, to sand the hood, and then to paint the spoiler as well. We came out with $25 for the preparation of the hood. We came out with $230 to paint the hood. We came out with $60 to paint the spoiler. Then we're going to blend the fender for $50 there and blend the other fender for $50 there. Materials he reduced to only $100 from $234. So we went down from like $680 something. The total estimate is $541.23. There it is. $541.23 to paint the hood and the spoiler. So, are we going to do it? I don't know. For a Mako, that seems kind of high. Well, we decided to come to another body shop. I'm just going to show you that part of the body shop right there. And the gentleman who came out told me that it was going to be, get this, hold on, to paint the spoiler and the hood right there. See the hood? And then just to blend it. He told me it was going to be exactly $2,000. $2,000 to paint the hood and the spoiler, because the price of paint has gone up significantly. Red is the most expensive. He was going to have to sand and cap the hood and then the fenders. $2,000 for a hood and a spoiler that just need to be sanded and painted. No, I can't do that. There's no way. 2,000? You're kidding me, right? This guy had good reviews from Yelp, and supposedly he took over the paint shop from his dad, from what I gather from Yelp, and they do good work. They had good reviews. Well, for $2,000 for a hood, it better be perfect work, and he couldn't even guarantee me that. So I'm sorry, buddy, but that's not going to happen. Okay, so are we going to end the video with this, or do we keep looking at other? I don't know what's going to happen, so we'll just do it like that. All right, so that's going to do it for now, folks. We do have an estimate to fix the car, and we've fixed a couple of things on the car. That huge little gas tank cover repair that took all of 14 seconds to put those two little rubber things on. We put in a new seat that does work up and down, backwards and forwards. It's working great. My airbag light just came back on. My check engine light is now on, and I got a wrench. Yeah, let me show you. How about that? How about that? Well, something else to investigate. So work will continue on the cheap Copart Mustang. The Stang, as we're calling it. All right, folks, stay tuned. We'll have more on this car. We have more walkarounds, and of course, we're going to get back on those Mercedes coming up very, very shortly. Thanks for watching. Bye.